Biosecurity and bioterrorism. Whenever we talk about the bioweapons, these are actually the lethal or harmful microorganisms. They not only abuse modern science, but they also disrupt our everyday life. They not even cripple the basic government functions. They spread fear among the people and also kill many people if the disease become endemic or pandemic. It can also destroy the food of the nation. So there are number of disadvantages of lethal pathogens, लेकिन इन नुकसानात के ज़रिए क्या हुआ कि साइंटिफिक फील्ड में बहुत सारी डेवलपमेंट्स हुई. This rapid the pace of the developments in the scientific advances, whether it is in the field of agriculture, in the field of biotechnology or genetic engineering. Now there is a difference between biosecurity and bioterrorism. Biosecurity are the procedures that we use to protect ourselves from the bioweapons. So biosecurity is used in different ways. We can use in different communities, whether we are dealing with the public health, with the animals, plants, or with the food. So it has different policies as it is dealing with the different communities. So there is a broader range of precautionary measures that can be taken to avoid the spread of bioweapons. Now, number of microorganisms can act as bioweapons. They can be in the form of pathogen itself, it can be a toxin, or it can even be a spore of the microorganism. For example, anthrax, botulism, influenza virus, plague, smallpox, viral hemorrhagic fever, all these are included under the heading of bioweapons. Now, Biodefense Lab was developed in United States of America. They deal with the drugs as well as with the recombinant vaccines specially. क्योंकि बहुत सारी रिसर्च यूएस गवर्नमेंट ने ना सिर्फ अपने लिए पब्लिक हेल्थ की सेफ्टी के लिए किया बल्कि बायो डिफेंस के लिए भी रखा. For example, in 2004, anthrax spores were spread among people through mailed letters, and the government believed that it got from one of the research lab of Maryland. It can be a foreign warfare program, or it is stolen somewhere from the US Biodefense Research Labs. So these are the various different ways from where the criminals can obtain their bioweapons. Now the acquisition, how the criminals obtain these bioweapons, either naturally from the natural environment, from the microbiological cultures. They can even obtain it from the medical or research facilities. They can pay the criminals to do so on their behalf. So biosecurity guidelines developed a barrier that failed the spread of Ebola virus, that is another act of bioterrorism.